AWS CodeWhisperer is an AI-powered code generation tool that helps developers write code faster by providing context-aware suggestions within integrated development environments like Visual Studio Code. Here's how to use AWS CodeWhisperer in VS Code. Install AWS Toolkit for Visual Studio Code. Open VS Code and go to the Extensions view. Search for AWS Toolkit and install it. Enable AWS CodeWhisperer. Once AWS Toolkit is installed, go to the AWS Explorer in VS Code. Navigate to Settings and enable AWS CodeWhisperer. Configure AWS credentials. Ensure your AWS credentials are configured by following these steps. Enter your AWS access key, secret key, region, and default output format. Using AWS CodeWhisperer. While coding, AWS CodeWhisperer will provide AI-generated suggestions in real time, offering relevant code snippets, function recommendations, or imports. As you type, suggested code blocks will appear in the side panel or inline suggestions. You can accept, reject, or customize the suggestions directly within VS Code. Improving suggestions. CodeWhisperer adapts as you provide feedback and uses suggestions, improving the accuracy of suggestions over time. Integration with AWS services. CodeWhisperer works seamlessly with other AWS services like Lambda, S3, and more, enhancing development within the AWS ecosystem.